Hey Purse Pals, Mag Buddies, and all my friends in the Insiders group. I want to do another unboxing. So this is what happens when you make a few orders on the pre-loved market and then they all decide to show up like at the same time. But I'm really excited about this one. This one is in a retired color, but a current style. And so let's just get right into it. It's in one of my favorite retired colors ever. And I was able to find this bag on eBay. So I haven't really looked at it yet. So you're getting my first impression of a bag coming from eBay. They wrapped it up in this kind of stuff. So hopefully that's okay. Hopefully it didn't like indent the leather or anything. And allegedly this was sold to me as brand new. And it does come in the original box. I don't know if you want to read that there. This is very exciting. This is in my favorite color, Kyoto. One of my favorite colors. I cannot even pick a favorite color if I had to. But this is the Kyoto Poppy purse, and this is the classic size. So this is looking really good. It has some striations going straight across there, which I love. I love my bag to have some character. Kyoto is so soft. I meant to grab everything I have in Kyoto before I opened this one to share with you. She's looking pretty good. We've got the strap tucked in. And then it is stuffed with some more of that paper stuff. Oh wow, she's so soft inside. Kyoto, if you haven't felt Kyoto in person, it's a total dream. It's so soft and good. Okay, let's do a little try on here. So what I usually do, right now it's in the longest. So I'm only 5 feet tall. So the longest is, it's okay as a crossbody. I would shorten it and wear it more like here. But that's a cute little silhouette. And then usually what I actually end up doing is I put it on the shortest setting. And I like to wear them as a shoulder bag sometimes. And so you can wear it as a long shoulder bag. Now, usually what I end up doing too is I will add some more holes based on the length, like the space that's left here to work with. I'll probably add 2 more holes and I'll just space them out the same way that Portland leather spaces them so that it looks normal and works normal, but that'll bring it up a little bit on me up to here. I saw this strap on Amazon and I was like, that is meant for Kyoto. So let's try this one too. These straps are great because the shortest length on them is really a good shoulder length for me. So here we are. Oh, that's darling, isn't it? That's so cute. Okay, so I wasn't sure if I would like the classic poppy. I only have a large poppy and I wasn't sure if this is gonna be like not large enough to hold my everyday stuff. But I'm actually like pleasantly surprised. It's actually not that much smaller than the large. So this is my large poppy in chili red. So there's a slight height difference, but not much. There is a slight width difference. Yeah, they're not that different in size. So this is very exciting for me. Oh man, I wish I would have remembered to grab all my goodies that I have in Kyoto already, but let me know if you want to see those in another video. So anyways, thank you very much, kind eBay seller. When I saw this and I saw the price they had on it, I was like, I have to snatch that up, and it fit in my budget, and here it is. It arrived. Couldn't be happier. All right, we'll see you guys later. What's your favorite in Kyoto? Put those photos in the comments. I'm always up for drooling over Kyoto. Okay, see you later. Bye.